TDS equations. So before going to this TDS equations, we shall see the results of the Maxwell's derivation. So in the Maxwell's relation derivation, we have got this 4 equations. So out of this 4 equations, we'll be using the third and fourth equation in the TDS equation. So to derive this TDS equation, we'll be requiring 2 equations from the Maxwell's equation, Maxwell's relation, that is M3 and M4. Apart from this, we should know that the heat capacity at constant pressure is equal to, that is Cp is equal to dou S by dou T at constant pressure into temperature. Similarly, the heat capacity at constant volume, heat capacity at constant volume, Cv is equal to dou S by dou T at constant volume into temperature. So these 4 results we should know for deriving this TDS equation. So let entropy be a function of temperature and volume. We know that if Z is a function of X and Y, then I can write dZ is equal to dou Z by dou X into dx. So this at constant Y, and dou Z by dou Y at constant X into dy. Similarly, for entropy I can write ds is equal to dou S by dou T at constant volume, here dou S by dou V at constant temperature. So whatever is in the denominator, that will be coming upside. So dt, here dV, and sum these terms. From Maxwell's relation, we know that Maxwell's third relation, that is dou S, this relation, this will be using. So let us multiply the whole equation with T, multiplying both sides by T. Multiplying both sides by T, we get T ds is equal to T into dou S by dou T at constant volume into dt plus T into dou S by dou V at constant temperature into dV. Now we go to the heat capacity at constant volume. So what is the heat capacity at constant volume? Cv is equal to dou S by dou T at constant volume into temperature. So this we will be substituting here. So instead of T into dou S by dou T at constant volume, we will be taking using only Cv. So this becomes TdS is equal to Cv into dt plus T into, what is dou S by dou V at constant temperature? Dou S by dou V at constant temperature is equal to dou P by dou T. So this dou S by dou V at constant temperature is equal to dou P by dou T at constant volume into dV. So how we get this equation? So this is from equation M3. So this from Maxwell's equation M. This equation is called as the first TDS equation. So how we derived this equation? We have taken entropy is a function of temperature and volume and derived this first TDS equation. Similarly, we can take entropy is a function of temperature and pressure, and then we can get the second TDS equation. So let us derive this. So entropy is a function of temperature and pressure. So ds is equal to dou S by dou T, dou S by dou P. So this dou S by dou T at constant pressure and this dou S by dou P at constant temperature. Here dt and here dp, sum both these terms. So to get the second TDS equation, we have to multiply this equation by T. So on multiplication, we will be getting TDS is equal to T into dou S by dou T at constant pressure into dt plus T into dou S by dou P at constant temperature into dp. Now we have to simplify this TDS equation. We know that the product of T into dou S by dou T at constant pressure is equal to Cp. So this you have to bring here. And similarly, dou S by dou P at constant temperature. So from Maxwell's relation, dou S by dou P at constant temperature is equal to minus of dou V by dou T at constant pressure. So you substitute this terms, we will be getting the final TDS equation. So TDS is equal to Cp into dt minus T into dou V by dou T at constant pressure into dp. So this is the second TDS equation.